So I want to know if such a Mahabhagavat as Narahari Prabhu is praying like this, then where is my hope?
He has that thing, but still lamenting. Srimati Radhika, what is that? What is not there in her? Everything. She is Purna, Purnatam, Purnatam. But why lamenting? Always sitting with Krishna.
Even she is telling, I have no prem for Krishna. Not at all.
In that way. Narottam Thakur, or Narhari Thakur, Premananda Thakur, and all Bhakti Vinod Thakur. They lament, they are lamenting still, really.
So these moods should come in our heart.
It should come.
Because when
By your mercy.
When you give
By your
classes
mercy.
in Brihad Bhagavatamrita Mathura, then you told Sanatana Goswami told prem and doina. Humility and prem is same.
Synonymous.
As much as prem is there, as much humility will be there.
And Gurudev, you also tell that anyone who tells you, oh, I love you so much, I love you so much, I love you so much.
No, no love at all. Today you can sing this song.
Gauranga
যদি
Jai.
গৌরাঙ্গ
Jai.
নহিত কামনে
Jadi
হই
Gauranga na hoy.
Yes, I
তবে
can
কি
sing.
হইত কামনে ধরিতাম দে
A very good kirtanya.
Oh, Jai.
For hours he can do that. He can go for hours. Same strength in the beginning as end.
Gurudev, yesterday you mentioned, in the beginning of your class, you mentioned the difference between Brahmavadi and impersonalist,
Mayavadi.
মায়াবাদী
Mayavadi.
তো হোমিওপ্যাথ
So that those Brahmavadis, they reside in Siddhaloka?
Like Sanksnandan Sanatan in Bhurbhuva Swaha Mahajana Tapa, then Satya, they Tapalok. Always meditating Krishna, and they can have the form of Krishna also.
They also have, like
They have power.
Fohan.
They have power.
তো আগে তো ব্রহ্মবাদী ছিলেন পরে তো নারায়ণের চরণ
Then
তার আগে আর ব্রহ্মবাদী বলা
Tapalok, then they are simply meditating?
Simply meditating always. As they were before, even then. But first they were Brahmavadi, after that they became Bhakta.
So like Sukadev Goswami,
He also like that.
he was not Siddha, or he was
He was Brahmavadi.
Brahmavadi.
in beginning stage
He has told him, Srila Sukadeva,
निर्गुण ने परिनिष्ठित भी नहीं
महाराज को परिनिष्ठित
मठ में रहते हैं।
ना वो वहाँ पर इमिग्रेशन पर वो पूछते हैं कि आप मिशनरी तो नहीं हैं, प्रचार करने तो नहीं आए।
उसे सीट पर भाव नहीं रखने। Oh, saving both. Here,
only पूर्णिमा day
not that, saving only this style.
Like Dayal,
ওখানে বলেছেন যে সিদ্ধ লোকস্তু তমসা সুখে মগ্না দৈত্যস্তু হরিণা হতা তো ওখানে তো সিদ্ধ লোক
Others who are Siddha. But their case is separate. Sanaksanandan,
আর মেইনলি ব্রহ্মবাদী লিভিং ইন সিদ্ধ লোক
they can go also to Vaikuntha. They have power. They went. And Jai Vijay, they did some mistake. They could not understand by Jog Maya.
Again, do they again come into the material world?
Yes,
Like
they can. No,
Sukadeva-
that's Siddhalok, Taplok.
No. Yes, they can.
yes, we can.
They live there. Their eternal abode is there. From there they can go here, there.
সিদ্ধ লোক আর তপলোক
Bhor Bhua Swaha Maha Jana Tapa Satya. Satya is Brahmalok. And one step
Down.
তাহলে পরে সিদ্ধ লোকস্তু তমসা পারে যত্র বসন্তিহি তো ওখানে বলছেন ব্রহ্ম সুখে মগ্না সিদ্ধ লোক কাহা
Srila Gurudev,
ব্রহ্মবাদীরা তো
which loka did Jesus
আমার মনে হয় যে শহরে যারা ব্রহ্ম মধ্যে লীন ওরা থাকে only they
You can ask.
who are merged there
impersonal Brahma.
in Brahma.
Shri Gurudev, which loka did Jesus Christ come from?
Huh?
Which loka did Jesus Christ come from? He came down
Jesus
to
Christ
earth.
কোন লোক থেকে এসেছে? এলাচি আর লোক।
He has come from perhaps where? In Rome? Vatican City.
What would happen to a person that worships the deity but doesn't worship you before worshipping the deity?
বলছে কেউ বিগ্রহ সেবা করছে কিন্তু বিগ্রহ সেবার পরে আপনার পূজা না করে ডাইরেক্ট বিগ্রহ সেবা, তাদের গতি কি হবে? বলে গুরু সেবা না করে বিগ্রহ
Puja
সেবা।
will be Nishphalam Bhave.
No
It's an
fruit.
opera.
No fruit.
But Nishphalam Bhavati.
No result. And Bhagavan will not be happy.
Opera?
And if
Ignorance.
knowingly they are doing, then aparad.
Aparad.
Otherwise not.
If without knowing somebody like due to ignorance is doing, then no aparad.
Those who don't
But
know,
knowing the Siddhanta not doing, then great aparad. No aparad.
Who do the Brahmavadis meditate on? If they can't meditate on a form, I don't understand what they meditate on.
বলছে ব্রহ্মাদের কার ধ্যান করে কাজ যদি তারা ভগবানের রূপে মানে না।
Nirgun Brahma. Like this. Nirgun Brahma. No shape, nothing, no quality.
Front side.
But he has, like Sanak Sanandan always, meditate.
Srila Gurudev, these cows that we go past on the morning walk, what will be their next destination in the next life, having had darshan of a pure devotee?
Oh, they will have human form and they will have some sukriti that, they can advance. They can have pure devotees association also. It may be. That is why sadhus like Narad travels here, there, in forest here, there, and chants Radha Ramana,
Hari.
Radhika Ramana,
নারদ মুনি বাজায় বীণা
Radhika Ramana Name.
always chanting and singing. So hearing this, those who will hear, they will be in bhakti line.
Gurudev,
So easy.
Not from the back. Not from the back.
Gurudev, in your book, The Essence of All Advice, you said that one have to become first Jnana Bhakti before it becomes a Sudha Bhakti. Can you explain that, please?
বলছে আপনি উপদেশামৃতে বলেছেন আগে একজনের জ্ঞান ভক্ত হতে
Like
হবে তারপর শুদ্ধ
Prahlad.
ভক্তি হতে
First
হবে।
become like Prahlad Maharaj.
Gyan Bhakti means not Mayabadi or
Jnani.
Brahma.
জ্ঞানী ভব লাগে জ্ঞানী ভক্ত হতে হবে তারপর শুদ্ধ ভক্ত।
Understanding Tattva, is what
Like
it means?
Bhakti.
Prahlad.
জ্ঞানী ভক্ত
Jnani Bhakta like Prahlad. Everywhere Krishna is there. And in
Correct.
Krishna all are there. And what Prahlad Maharaj had qualities? More than Saranagati, he was Shuddha pure Bhakta. So this is.
চলো
Chalo.
But I think every blade of grass, every tree, when we stopped in Oregon in 2000.